Have you ever wondered why some people are rich while others are not? In the US alone, there are approximately 22 million millionaires from all backgrounds and professions, so it's clear that becoming rich is possible. So do the rich have some secret knowledge that you don't? Well, yes. But don't worry, because in this video, we're going to expose the top 5 secrets millionaires use to grow their wealth. So get ready to take action, grow your wealth, and discover how the rich get rich. Welcome to Blue Chip Mindset, the winning mindset for success. This channel isn't for the lazy, so if you're not here to get inspired, you're in the wrong place. Now, let's get into it, and if you enjoy the video or get some value from it, then please give it a like and share with a friend. Secret number 1. Distinguish between your needs and wants. A person's net worth is not always demonstrated through material possessions such as their job, car, or clothes. In reality, most millionaires in the United States today are everyday people who have invested in their retirement and made good financial decisions while living within their means. The wealthy have not chosen to splurge on luxury vehicles, extravagant vacations, or high-end fashion. They recognize that material possessions do not equate to happiness, and instead find satisfaction in their lifestyle and daily activities. Moreover, they understand the importance of establishing a secure financial foundation before indulging in lavish purchases. Distinguishing between needs and wants is a crucial aspect of accumulating wealth, as without it, one's financial stability could crumble. However, this does not mean individuals must lead a frugal lifestyle without enjoyable spending. Budgeting for leisure and saving up for high-ticket items can be beneficial. Practicing delayed gratification and acknowledging unnecessary desires can lead to a transformative change in one's financial habits. Secret number 2. You don't have to rely solely on your own earnings to amass wealth. If you think you have to personally earn all your wealth, then becoming rich will seem impossible. There are some basic principles you can follow to start growing your wealth. We'll delve into those principles shortly, so keep watching until the end to discover how you can implement these secrets and begin living the life of a millionaire. To achieve wealth, it's essential to ensure that your income exceeds your expenses, pay off any outstanding debts, and live within your means while setting aside funds for savings and investments. However, it's crucial to recognize that your income is only one part of the equation. Let go of the idea that success is solely your responsibility and explore various ways of growing your wealth, such as investing in retirement savings accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Begin investing in these accounts early. With additional funds, consider exploring other investment opportunities, such as low-cost ETFs that track the S&P 500, which gives an annual return of around 10%, all while taking advantage of compound interest. Creating passive income streams is another effective way of earning money with minimal time and effort. Additionally, debt can be used safely if you know how to earn money from it. Leveraging other new investments can pay you back more than the cost of borrowing, using other people's money, such as the banks. Secret number 3. Wealthy people understand that time is the most precious resource they have. The rich understand that achieving long-term financial security requires patience and that get-rich-quick schemes are only for suckers. Time allows for setting goals, strategizing, and embracing the challenges and opportunities that wealth building presents. Moreover, starting early with investments is crucial, as the longer the investment period, the greater the returns. Trading time for money is not ideal, as there are a limited number of hours a day, and one's energy is finite. Working smarter, not harder, is the key to optimizing time. Wealthy individuals grasp this concept and delegate tasks that can be outsourced for less money. If you're an entrepreneur or business owner, it's crucial to focus on the growth of your business. One way to do this is by identifying tasks that can be outsourced to free up your energy and time. Are there any tasks that come to mind that you could delegate right now? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, as your ideas may help someone else. If you need guidance on how to effectively delegate, I suggest exploring resources like the book Delegate to Freedom by Mark J. Kohler. Remember to share this information with any friends who could benefit from it, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Secret number 4. Wealthy individuals seek advice from those who know more than they do. They don't rely on the opinions of those who know the same or less than they do. As the renowned motivational speaker Les Brown once said, "Never take advice from someone who isn't where you want to be." This is a crucial mindset to adopt when seeking advice on wealth building. Listening to those who have not achieved financial success will unlikely lead you to the desired outcome. Seek out those who have accomplished what you aspire to and learn from them. By doing so, you'll gain invaluable insights and strategies for achieving your goals. Secret number 5. Rich people understand that becoming wealthy is not a matter of luck or chance. While some may have struck it big with an unexpected windfall, like hitting the Powerball jackpot or buying Bitcoin for 40 cents in 2010, for most people, wealth is the result of careful planning and action. They're well-versed in managing their finances and keeping track of their expenses, income, and investments. Rather than spending impulsively, they make calculated decisions and stick to their budgets. They take proactive steps toward their goals and seek opportunities to grow their wealth. As the saying goes, success leaves clues, and rich people know how to learn from those who have already achieved what they aspire to. They don't waste time listening to those who are not where they want to be financially. By taking control of their finances and having a clear plan of action, they're able to design their path to wealth and make it a reality. Starting out, getting rich can look like an impossible dream, but I hope this video gave you some insight to how it can be achieved. So, do you have any secrets to getting rich that you'd like to share? If so, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And while you're down there, tap the top comment pinned, as there's a link there to get up to 12 free stocks if you live in the USA. I hope you enjoyed the video or learned something new. If you did, then please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications to get notified anytime we drop a new video. And if you're still watching, I picked out 2 more just for you.